Hi, my name is Aurora and I live in Whittier. The windows of my house were very old, drafty, and some were broken. So when I first met David, I actually had a great experience with him. He showed me all the window samples, possible projects or designs for the house that kept the integrity of my beautiful home. So I decided to hire them. And the experience was great. From the time they arrived, they were on time, super prompt, professional, and I appreciated that they took a lot of care with my house and my windows, and I've seen the difference. The energy savings within a couple months is pretty drastic, as well as just the preservation of the house and the design, and of course how beautiful they are now. So thank you. So they did this casement window, was actually one of my favorites. I'm able to look out from my dining room out to Hadley. And this single hung is also part of the dining room. And I just love how much natural light comes in throughout the day. Okay.